Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest features to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use Apple Card monthly installments. If you've got an Apple Card and a big purchase on your mind, this feature can help you spread out payments without the stress. Let's jump right in. First off, what exactly are Apple Card monthly installments? It's a super convenient option that lets you divide the cost of eligible purchases into fixed monthly payments, often interest-free for a set period. This is perfect for things like a new iPhone or MacBook. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's the hub for all your Apple Card magic. Step 1. Open the Wallet app and select your Apple Card. You'll see your recent transactions listed. Find the purchase you want to turn into installments. It has to be from an eligible merchant, like Apple itself or partners. Once you spot it, tap on the transaction details. Step 2. Look for the installments option. If it's available, you'll be prompted to choose how many months you want to pay over, usually up to 24 months for qualifying items. Apple makes this straightforward with clear breakdowns of your monthly payment amount and any potential interest. After selecting your plan, confirm it, and voila, your purchase is now on installments. You'll see it reflected in your Apple Card statement, and payments will automatically deduct from your linked account each month. Pro tip: always check for any APR if the promo period ends, and make sure to pay on time to avoid fees. One more thing. Keep an eye on your Wallet app for reminders and updates. This feature not only helps with budgeting but also builds your credit history. If you're new to Apple Card, it's worth exploring the full benefits on Apple's website. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. We'll see you next time.